Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to restore your account PIN if in case you forgot it. So to restore your PIN, click I forgot my PIN. If you don't see this option below the PIN field, you have to enter random PIN a couple of times, and then this option will appear right here. Click right here, then click I forgot my PIN again. And now if you have a local account set up on your device, you'll have to answer one of the security questions that you made for yourself, and after that you're gonna have to enter the new PIN code for your device, enter some new security questions, and once you do that, you'll be able to regain access to your account. And if you don't remember the answers to security questions, then in such case you're gonna have to reinstall Windows on your device, because this is the only way in such case to regain access to your device, simply by reinstalling Windows. And if you don't know how to reinstall Windows from USB on your laptop, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. Now, if you have a Microsoft account linked to your device, you have to enter the password to your Microsoft account. If you forgot it, you can click forget password and then recover the password using your email. So enter your password, press enter, and then to verify your identity, click email or receive SMS, depending on whether you link an email or a phone number to your device. And then you will receive a code to your email address. And what you have to do is read this code, enter it into the following field, and click verify. Once you do that, you will have to set up a new PIN code for your device, but first click continue. Then provide a new PIN code and confirm it in the following field. Make sure that you remember it this time. Click OK. And once you do that, you will regain access to your account. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.